Hello and welcome back to the AV Team Real Estate Channel. I'm Van Gang and I'm a local real estate agent here in Toronto. I'm here at 50 Bruyeres Mews in the beautiful waterfront area near Bathurst and Lakeshore. This 13-story Omni Group condo project in Toronto was built in the city's historic Fort York district on Bruyeres Mews, just south of Fort York Boulevard. This is a relatively new project built 5 years ago. Just south of this project site, you will find multiple beautiful yacht clubs, bike tracks, and trails along the waterfront. This is a perfect location within walking distance to almost everything in downtown while still enjoying the view of Lake Ontario. Follow me as I take you on a thorough tour of the magnificent one-bedroom plus den unit at 50 Bruyeres Mews. Come on in. Don't miss the opportunity to purchase this beautiful condo unit in this excellent location at a very reasonable price. Don't hesitate to contact us at AV Team. Here is the contact information right up here, and don't forget to like and consider subscribing to our channel for content like this in the future. I'm Van from the AV Team signing out.